Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith.
I'm Michael Glandon.
We are co-owners of the shop, and Michael handles the craftsmanship side. So he oversees the repairs of the vehicle and the tools and equipment. I handle the compassion side, which would be the customer service and the sales part of it. Now, right now, we have an entry-level general service technician opportunity available. Michael, why don't you tell us a little bit about what sort of things a GS technician gets to do?
You betcha, Rick. So a GS technician gets to do DVI inspections with a tablet. We get to take pictures. We get to do a full, complete bumper-to-bumper inspection. They also get to change oil, rotate tires, and work into other services like transmission services and coolant flushes.
Okay, so they get to work their way into other fluids as well.
Exactly.
Okay. So this job, it's full-time. It pays $18 an hour, and we have a really nice comprehensive paid time off program, which gives you opportunities to spend time with your family and take time if you needed to be sick or anything like that. So Michael, are there some other benefits other than the pay that you can think of?
I'm thinking right off the bat is with our particular shop, we like our technicians to grow. So we have training available to make you get to the next level if you like.
How about everybody dealing with each other?
Oh yes, and we have great communication within the shop between the service advisors and the technicians and the shop foreman.
Okay. And would you say that out of everybody, so I'm the oldest guy, would I be the grumpiest? What's kind of the attitude in the shop?
Actually, the attitude is fantastic. We have fantastic crew. Everybody is happy, and they love coming to work.
All right, so there you have it. So give us a call, send us an email, or just stop by and say hi to Michael or I. And I think you'll find that this would be an awesome place for you to come and get your career started. And if this doesn't apply to you, please share this on your social media so that we can find the right person to fit this position in our shop. So thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.